Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the pound yen, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I think the pound yen is so extremely clear on the monthly time frame that this is an A, this is an A, B, C of B, and that we are now in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. This is going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 and a break of structure to the downside just to prove that the wave C is over. So I personally think that we are anywhere from 6 months to maybe 18 months before this wave C is actually complete. So taking it right down to the weekly time frame, I think this is where you can see the wave 1 and the wave 2 that I was showing on the higher time frames, but then you also have a subdivision of wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So maybe we are getting close to ending the wave 3. We definitely don't have a break of structure to the downside. We definitely don't have a significant lower high. We have no engulfing move. We don't even really have a fib bounce. So really there's no evidence that this wave 3 is over. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going up, maybe even all the way to the 100% Fibonacci extension before it actually starts that big wave 4 like I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, like I said, there's really nothing stopping this from just continuing up, so you really have to be careful on these yen pairs, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, because we're looking at least a 4-year uptrend. So I definitely am not trying to identify the top of a 4-year uptrend, but instead I'm looking to go long at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. Now I would definitely look at this as possibly being a wave A or 1, this move up right here possibly being a corrective wave B or wave 2, and this possibly going down for a wave C or a wave 3. I would have to see some pretty convincing evidence on shorter time frames before I would start going short and believe that this is going down in a wave C or a wave 3. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for a Fibonacci bounce. If I do see a pretty significant Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, then that would tell me to start looking for shorts. And that would tell me that we are going down for either a wave C or a wave 3 like I was just showing on the daily time frame. So like I said, either a wave C or a wave 3. This is either a wave A or a wave 1, either a wave B or a wave 2. But like I was also explaining, it does not have to do that. It could easily just bounce from a fib level, not break structure, bounce, no break, and just keep on trending up, which is why I would have to see something pretty convincing like this before I would start looking for shorts. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, still no breaker structure to the downside, still no significant lower high. It's definitely still looking for longs. If I see something like this, that would turn me into a seller. But if I don't see that, but instead I just see this and this and that, instead I will just continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I see until the higher time frames, preferably the 4-hour daily time frame, tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.